Today, we are going to unbox HP ProBook X360 435 G7 notebook PC. This notebook weighs 1.45 kilograms and has a dimension of 30.85 times 22.29 times 1.79 centimeters. This 13.3 Windows 10 notebook is powered by the AMD Ryzen 4700U APU, which can clock up to a turbo speed of 4.1 GHz. The onboard memory is a 16 GB single-channel SO-DIMM. There is another slot for expansion. The onboard graphics is the AMD Radeon graphics within the APU. In terms of storage, it has a 1 Terabyte of SK Hynix NVMe storage which runs at amazing speed. The package comes with a HP Smart 65W external AC power adapter for charging the 3-cell 45WH Li-ion battery. It takes around 2 Hrs 20 minutes to fully charge the battery to 100%. The set we have comes with a stylus which comes handy for writing notes in tablet mode. For connectivity, on board is a Intel dual-band wireless AC 9268 02.11 AC and Bluetooth 5.0. On the side of the notebook, you can find two USB 3.1 Gen 1, one USB Type-C connectors, one headphone microphone combo, one HDMI 1.4B connector. There is also a microSD slot. There are two webcams. The 720p HD cam is user-facing while a 5MP is mounted on the keyboard and can act as the rear camera when it is in tablet mode.